welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Claudia. I'm a business and marketing online strategist. And I am really excited about today's video because I'm actually following on from a video I did a couple of months ago. So I did a video, and I'm gonna link it up here, on how I monetized my TikTok in just 1 month, less than 5,000 followers. Well, things have progressed significantly from there because in that video I explained that I made around £93 so far from TikTok. And let me tell you, it's not £93 anymore, it's quite a bit more than that. And I wanna show you that it is possible to monetize TikTok with a low amount of followers and in not that much time as well. I am only 5 months into my TikTok journey and I only have around 8,000 followers at the time of recording this. I'm also gonna be talking about how much money exactly I've made from TikTok over the last 5 months. So if you're interested to know how much it is and how I was able to do that, then please keep watching. So the first thing I want to say is that I have not really made a penny from the Creator Fund. In fact, actually, I think I might have made a tiny bit from doing lives, but it is literally something in the range of 50p or something like that. So I'm not even counting this in my total because I haven't really even looked at that part. But I haven't made any money from the Creator Fund, I don't have enough followers, and I haven't made any money from brand partnerships. I have had some brands reach out to me for collaborations, but they're not particularly brands that I feel that aligned with. And I'm not just about to take on any brand, even if I don't believe in that brand. That's not what I want to do. I want to make sure that if brands come to me, they're brands that I absolutely know and love, and then I can promote them through my TikTok or even on my other channels. So no money so far from brand collaborations. However, what I have been able to do is use TikTok as a means to drive people to my services and my digital products. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in this video. Let's talk about the strategy that I've been using on TikTok. So I'm not going to go into the specifics, but what I've been doing on TikTok so far is posting between 3 to 5 times a day. Not gonna lie, I have been a little bit inconsistent in recent months just because I've been moving to Bali, which took up a lot of my time. But yes, 3 to 5 times a day is how I've been posting, and I've been doing a mix of inspirational and educational videos. And the main aim from TikTok is to use it as a lead generation tool and actually drive it to some of my other platforms, such as my email list, such as Instagram and YouTube. And what that then does is it gets people off of the platform, which is important because with TikTok, you only have 30, 60 seconds, sometimes longer, but people prefer the shorter form content. And it is a little bit harder to build up that really strong connection with your audience. For me, I have a lot more long form content over on Instagram or on YouTube or via my email list. So I've used the link in bio in TikTok to drive the traffic from my TikTok onto my email list and onto my other platforms. This is where my audience have really then created that connection with me and they have warmed to me. And this is where you will then be able to convert them and sell them into your offers, your products, or your services. And that's exactly what I did. If you don't already have a link in your bio or you haven't already linked to your socials on your TikTok, then now is the chance to do that. And if you don't have any other social channels at the moment, I suggest that you have at least one secondary platform, especially an email list. Email marketing is so powerful, I promise you. So like I mentioned in the other video, my link in bio leads to my email list. They then get enrolled into a welcome sequence, and then that tells them about some of my offers as well. And from the back of that welcome sequence, people have then signed up to work with me. For example, I just had a launch, my program that helps brand new online service providers to land clients in their business, become fully booked out and build a business of freedom, the Confident CEO Academy. That is one of the offers that I launched recently. And I know for a fact that loads of the women who signed up to that program actually came from TikTok. So guys, I know you're here for the numbers. You want to know how much I've made from TikTok so far. It's definitely more than before. So before, remember I told you I'd made around £93 from selling one of my mini courses. Well, I've still been selling that mini course, and that mini course is priced at £7.99, and I've made a total of £455.43 in total from that mini course so far, from sales coming from TikTok. And the second thing was that I launched my signature program, the Confidence CEO Academy. And from that, the women that signed up, just from TikTok, this is not overall, this is just from TikTok, I've made a total of £8,293. So it's safe to say that TikTok has been very well monetized since I started it just 5 months ago. And I see humongous potential with TikTok. This is just the beginning. I mean, I've been on Instagram around 2 years now, and I'd say 80% of my clients came from Instagram before, but from this program launch, actually almost half of the women who signed up came from TikTok. So I know that this new strategy is working for my business. And if you're an online service provider or a coach or a course creator or a consultant, I really do recommend you get on TikTok, because in just a few months you could be making thousands from this platform if you reach the right audience, and if you're able to drive them to your other channels and provide them with value that's gonna really get them to trust you as a teacher or as a service provider or whatever it is you do. So I hope this video has been helpful. Drop your questions below if you have any questions about this. Make sure to hit subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.